This video is a simple walkthrough of how to set up a circuit that uses passive infrared sensors using an Arduino and breadboard. To complete the setup, you will need a breadboard, wires, 2 resistors, 2 LEDs, 2 passive infrared sensors, an Arduino Uno board, and a USB A to B cable. The first thing we do is transfer power and ground over to the breadboard from our Arduino. In order to do so, we simply connect wires from the ground pin and the 5-volt pin to the breadboard. The 5-volt pin goes connected to the positive or red strip of the breadboard, and the ground pin goes connected to the negative or blue strip of the breadboard. The next thing we will do is connect the sensors. Each sensor has a voltage pin, an output pin, and a ground pin going from left to right respectively. For both sensors, connect the voltage and ground pins on the same strip you connected the Arduino board to in the previous step. For the output pins, the left sensor output pin will be connected to digital pin 2 and the second sensor to digital pin 4 as illustrated in the bottom two pictures. Next, we can connect our LEDs to our breadboard. The LEDs will act as an output signal for our sensors, with the left LED corresponding to the first sensor and the right LED corresponding to the second sensor. In order to connect the LEDs, we will use two 1000 ohm resistors and connect them to the breadboard as shown in the pictures. Make sure that the flat side of the LED is connected to the ground and the other side is connected to the resistor. If you can't tell which side is which, the shortest leg is usually the negative side, which goes connected to the ground. The output wires labeled in the bottom left picture will be connected to our Arduino board as shown in the bottom right picture. The left and right output wire will go in pins 12 and 13 respectively. To recap, the first sensor is connected to pin 2 and its LED is connected to pin 12. The second sensor's output pin is connected to pin 4 and its LED is connected to pin 13. Here's a demo of how the sensors interact with one another. As you can see, the second sensor is only triggered if the first sensor happened to be triggered. Otherwise, the second sensor will remain off.